Hey Zolt, I spoke with you yesterday regarding your website. My name is Lee Turbianic. I was doing some research in your area and came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and become more interested on how I can help your business grow, just give me a call and we can chat. 3 major things I want to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. So, number one, content. Google likes to see 1,500 words of content on a homepage. And that's so you can fit these very important keywords throughout it strategically, which we're going to go through here shortly. But as we scroll through your page, I do see that you do have a nice logo here. I like your header, but I would have my main keyword posted right here. And as we go through, I see you have a home, but I would have services, and then with a drop down with all your services listed. Also, your about us, contact us, all that could be listed right here. I'd also have a form submit so clients can get converted easily into buyers by their name, address, or name, email, phone number sent right to your email. But as we scroll down, I see you do not have much content. Some content there, a little bit there, just a little bit more content. The layout is cool, but Google is just a crawling website, and all it can do is read, and it's constantly scanning your website daily for keywords. And you have about 300 words, so that's making it kind of difficult for Google to scan and find keywords. But I just did a normal search for water damage, Jacksonville, Florida, as if I was a normal general client looking for a business to help me out. And as you can see, you are not in this top 3 map pack, and you are not populating in this organic section. So, but the guy who is UnitedWaterRestoration.com. They're ranking number 1. So let's see what kind of content they have. They have a bunch of content there. Content, content, content. The more content, the better. But typically, Google likes to see around 1,500 words. So they have about 800. So if we were to go out and get that 1,500 of keyword-rich content, we would easily beat them. And I'm going to touch base here on your keywords shortly. But this map pack, I really want to focus on this too. What ranks you in this section is a citation. Now, citations are your name, address, and phone number listed in directories like Yellow Pages, MapQuest, BBB, CityStar, Facebook, even YouTube. And as you can see, United Water Restoration's in the number 1 spot, along with having this built out correctly. Good reviews, pictures added from wherever you're doing jobs is big, so you can geotag them, and that'll expand your reach across the map, so you're not just getting focused in one little area. But I have a tool I use called WhiteSpark CA, and it allows me to see how many citations. It's a local citation finder. So United Water, I plugged in their information, and they have 26 citations to claim that top spot. So as we scroll down, this allows me to see where they're getting their citations from, and we can go and submit it for your business. But they have Facebook, Bing, Yelp, BBB, Yellow Pages, Manta, Yahoo, and these are strong ones. So all of them aren't created equally. You want to get strong URL citation sources, because as you go down here and some of these ones that we don't really know about, look at the score it's giving them. It might be hurting them more than helping them. But I suggest going to get 100 to 200 of these for your business. Get up in this top 3 map pack, and you're going to see a drastic change in organic traffic coming to your website. Third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, backlinks are what rank you in this organic section. And a backlink is when one website links back to your website. So Google counts them as votes, or considers them votes, because the more websites that are willing to link back to your website and willing to send their traffic from their website to your website means that you're more legit and trustworthy in their eyes. So you want strong, relevant backlinks too. You don't want, say, Pizza Hut giving you a backlink, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. You'd want other restoration companies or blogs written about water damage or mold or fire damage, and then linking back to you, because that's all relevant to what you offer. So I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and I plugged in your universalwaterrestoration.com, and this is going to show me a basic overview of all your site and its stats. So it's showing you have a UR and a DR of 22 and 7. Now, this UR is the overall trust flow to your website. This DR is the strength of your backlink profile. Saying you have 11,000 backlinks, but you only have a 7. Now, if with 11,000 backlinks, if they were strong, you would be up in the 60s, which would make you very powerful. So it's telling me that you had spammy backlinks placed on your website, maybe from an outside source, and the only ones that are transferring any power are 27. So stop whatever you were doing. It's hurting your website more than helping it. But you are ranking for 45 keywords, but you're not gaining any traffic, and let's see why. So you're ranking for a Hialeah water company, but you're not in the first position for any keywords, and that's due to bad SEO and bad backlinks. But there is a ton of search volume. Now this is going to show me the keyword that you're being found for, how many times that keyword's being searched, and how hard it is to rank for it, and the position that you're in. So biohazard cleanup Deerfield Beach, Florida. There's 40 searches for that each month, but you're on the 5th page for it. Water damage restoration, Hollywood, Florida. 60 searches a month for that. You're on the 7th page for that. You're never going to get any clients from that being that far down, because people want to click right on who pops up first. Miami mold specialist reviews, Hialeah Gardens water department. Water damage restoration, Deerfield Beach, 50 searches. Water and fire restoration, Palm Beach, Florida, 100 searches. Water damage restoration, Deerfield, 50. Ives Estates, plumber, Hialeah, 50. So yeah, as you can see, we would want to focus on about 10 keywords, have them listed throughout your home page in headings and written throughout the content, and then we add backlinks and power to it to get you gaining positions to get up on that first page. So let's look at your competitor here. That was United Water Restoration. So they have a 24 and a 51. As you can see, they only have 360 backlinks coming from 44 sites, but they have stronger backlinks. Look at their score, 51. You had 11,000, and your score was a hold on one second while this populates. You have a 7. So that goes to show the relevancy of the backlinks that you want to have. But that's okay, because in their backlinks, we know they have powerful ones, right? It's ranking them to number 1. We could go right through their backlinks and see all the sources that they're gaining their backlinks from, and go and start adding these strategically, you know, slowly, make it look organic. And here they all are. So we can go and pick out, it's going to show me how powerful they are, the type of traffic they're getting. Everything is right here laid out for us to go and grab for your business. Now let's go back and let's see their keywords. And this is a little bit more put together, but another thing I want to touch base on is look at the traffic they're getting. 225 people to their website and the value. So as we go into their keywords, this is what we would want to do, a full content revamp for your website with these keywords. Look at water and fire damage restoration, Jacksonville, 100. Fire restoration, 50. Water damage restoration, 100. Water restoration near me, 2,600. Fire damage, 60. Water mitigation, Jacksonville, 50. There's tons of keywords, and we can dictate them for any city or area you want to find. We go find those, and then we add service pages. And here's a site we did for a plumber out in Woodland Hills. All his services are listed. Contact form, huge keyword, plumber, Woodland Hills. In the headings, Woodland Hills plumber, right here. In the content, Woodland Hills plumber, Woodland Hills plumbers with the S. Plumber, Woodland Hills. Plumber, Woodland Hills. Boom. You want it as many times so Google finds you for it. But anyways, let's do a quick overview. First thing was content. Your homepage needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. Second thing was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories. I suggest getting 100 or 200 of these. Beat out your competition, get up in this top 3, start getting some clients from the map pack. And the third and most important thing was backlinks or link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that your company is the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be number 1 across Google. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my phone number is 570 240-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Zolt, and would love to help you out with this. Any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. You can text, leave an email. I'm always free. Thank you.